Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoy this video with some more great landscape lighting tips. To learn more about landscape lighting, go and check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca, or if you want to see what a real quality landscape light should look like, go and check out our Try It Before You Buy It offer, where you can get a premium quality fixture at a discounted rate with your very own battery pack, so you can go and test out how that light's going to look and feel what a real premium quality light should look like. So go and check us out at lightingdoctor.ca, or go watch more videos on YouTube just by searching for the Lighting Doctor. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I just want to show you guys these waterproof GFCI receptacles. Anytime you're putting in a landscape lighting system and you have to plug in your transformer outside, just go and get one of these from your home improvement store, and all it does is make sure that that wiring connection or that plug-in is going to be covered from the elements. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. We're going to show you how to light up your landscape from anywhere in the world using the Wyon Wi-Fi smart plug. So this is a great device, and you can literally use almost any smart plug. The reason that we choose this one is that this is a smart plug that's actually designed to go outside, and we've tested it. We're from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, where we get temperatures that are minus 30, minus 40 degrees Celsius in the wintertime, which is extremely, extremely cold. And I know this guy still works. And there's literally hundreds of smart plugs on the market that you can use the same way that you can use this one. But we use this one because it's tried and it's tested, and I know that it works even in extreme, extreme conditions. But that being said, you can go, if you have a smart home system and they make an outdoor Wi-Fi smart plug, you can probably use that the exact same way with your existing transformer. But how we go and use this with this transformer is, all we do is, instead of plugging our transformers directly into the outlets, we just plug them into our Wyon Wi-Fi plug, and then we plug this into the wall. And then now with the Wyon app, we can go and set all kinds of different programmer timing functions, turn our lights on from anywhere in the world, and do so many other cool things with it. It's also compatible with Amazon Alexa, which is also a really cool feature, and why we like using this. It's so much more high-tech than a lot of the old analog timers that are on the market that will typically work with a transformer like this. But if you want to go and operate your lights from anywhere in the world, we highly recommend the Wyon Wi-Fi smart plug. But if you're looking for more advice on how to go and use this and how to design and install your own landscape lighting system, then go to lightingdoctor.ca and access our free consultation, where you can actually send us pictures of your property, and we're going to walk through some of the best ideas, the best lights to use, and the best way to plan out your landscape lighting project. So go and access that at lightingdoctor.ca, and I look forward to all your comments and questions. So thanks for watching. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. We're going to show you how to light up your landscape, and more importantly, how to go and easily bury your landscape lighting wire using what we call our two-pronged wire poker. Now, in all honesty, I don't even really know what this is called, but you can go and get this at any home improvement store in the garden aisle. It's basically a long metal stick with two prongs on the end that's great for pushing the wire a little bit deeper in the ground. So as you go and make your cuts or make your slits in the ground to get that wire in, you can use this two-pronged wire poker, that we'll call it, to just go and push that wire a little bit deeper into the ground to make sure it doesn't come up. Between using that and some extra landscape lighting stakes, just to make sure, or sorry, landscape lighting staples, just to make sure that wire doesn't come up. It's a great way to go and do this, and I urge any of you that know what this is called to please email me and send me the details of it. But our two-pronged wire poker is a great way to get that wire in the ground. But if you need more help with your landscape lighting project, be sure to go and access our free consultation videos that you can get at lightingdoctor.ca, or send me pictures of your property, and we're going to help you determine what's going to be the best way to tackle your landscape lighting project. Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here, and I'm going to show you how to light up your landscape using a landscape lighting riser. So often I get asked in areas where people want to, say, highlight the architectural features of their house, but maybe they have some shrubs or some bushes that are right up against the house, and they can't get that light as close to the house as they would like, because otherwise it's going to be down in a bush and none of that light's going to get out. Well, a way around that is just with a simple landscape lighting riser. And really all it is an aluminum riser that can come in 6, 12, or 24 inches long. And basically what it does is it screws into your ground stake, and then your fixture screws into here. So it just gives that light a little bit of elevation to get above those shrubs or above those bushes so that you can still highlight the features that are a little bit higher up that you're looking to do, but you don't have to worry about trimming or moving bushes down below. So a simple way to get that light just a little bit higher and still accent a lot of the architectural features of your home is just with a simple landscape lighting riser. But if you need more help on when to go and use those, be sure to go and access our free consultation video at lightingdoctor.ca and send me pictures of your property so that I can help you design and come up with the best ways and the best ideas on how to go and properly light up your landscape. So thanks for watching. Hey guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video presentation with some great tips and tools on how to go and properly and effectively light up your landscape. And be sure, if you want your own free consultation video, just send me an email at cal@lightingdoctor.ca with a few pictures of your property, and we'll get back to you with some really cool ideas and ways to go and effectively light your property. And be sure to watch the videos after this one for more tips on how to install landscape lighting, as well as how to light up your landscape the best way possible.